Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Cinderella. She lived with her wicked stepmother and two selfish stepsisters who made her do all the household chores. Every morning, Cinderella dreamed of a happier life as she scrubbed floors and tended to the fireplace. Despite her hardships, she always remained hopeful and gentle. One day, an announcement was made throughout the kingdom. The prince was hosting a royal ball at the castle, inviting everyone to attend. Excitedly, Cinderella shared the news with her stepmother, but the wicked woman sneered, saying only her daughters would go. Heartbroken, Cinderella watched as they prepared for the ball, leaving her behind in her ragged clothes. Just as she began to despair, a magical shimmering light appeared in the garden. Her fairy godmother stepped forward with a warm smile, waving her sparkly wand. "Don't worry, dear Cinderella," she said. "You shall go to the ball." With a flick of the wand, Cinderella's tattered dress transformed into a beautiful gown, and her worn shoes shone as glass slippers. A pumpkin in the garden turned into a grand coach, and mice into majestic horses. She was ready. The fairy godmother warned, "Remember, the magic will fade at the last stroke of midnight." Filled with excitement, Cinderella promised and hurried to the castle. At the ball, the prince was enchanted by Cinderella's grace and kindness. They danced the night away, her heart fluttering with joy. But as the clock began to strike 12, Cinderella remembered the warning.